Threaded inserts are used to quickly repair damaged threads or guarantee stronger connections in original equipment. Teknipart inserts feature a solid, one-piece construction and are versatile over many base materials. To install the threaded insert, first, drill and countersink your hole. No special drills, taps, or pre-winder tools are needed. Tap the new threads and screw the insert into position. Finally, drive the locking keys down. The threads can be removed without damaging the surrounding material. First, drill out the material between the keys and the thread. Bend the locking keys inward and break them off. Finally, remove the old insert using a screw extractor. Teknipart inserts are available across a wide range in both steel and stainless steel. Metric and imperial sizes are available, in coarse and fine pitch, with matching installation tools. Discover more at teknipart.co.uk/thread inserts.